Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and I'm sorry for my voice, I have a cold. So this is my latest drawing of a ballerina mid-pose. She was actually had a dancer behind her holding her up. That's why she looks as if she's flying through the air like Superman. So I utilised good speed, geometric and observational methods. If you don't know what they are, let me know. I am still very heavily using a heavier pressure on the pencil. That's why it's so dark. I need to get away from that. That is an ongoing issue that I have. I was able to finish this one before the timer went off. If you don't know what I mean, then let me know. I actually finished that one about 45 seconds before the timer went off, which I was very pleasantly surprised. So I found this one had a lot more lines, and this one had less pressure and less lines, which I was really happy about. The third one I stopped because it was not working out. It was out of proportion and ratios and everything. It just didn't resemble even the first one. So yeah, I just stopped there. If you ever find that, just stop. If it's just not working, don't beat yourself up about it. Just stop it, and then if you can go back to it, go back to it. If not, then just pick up the pencil the next day or whatever. But don't beat yourself up and lose momentum and motivation. So yes, let me know what you think. Definitely room for improvement, as always. But I'm getting there. If you have a look at the previous videos, you will see the comparison in the videos, the drawings that I was doing even 6 months ago. Please let me know what you think and what other topics you'd like to see me draw. Thanks guys, bye.